Hey folks, Weatherman Sam, man in the big green hat. I'm here with a nomadic leprechaun. We're out here in Bankhead National Forest. We want to see a neat little spot. Natural bridge, moonshine still, some rock carvings, at least one waterfall. We'll see what else we can get into. Let's go see what we can find. Water crossing. This is a social trail. Just amazing how well blazed it is. Or trodden, I suppose. It's not an official trail by any means.
I like it, creek crossing.
This is an old moonshine still site. Nice. It's a great spot for one. Good water. You can see the hemlocks are starting in a little bit. A lovely little stream alongside. Nothing else. It's nice to have a little nice walk in the woods. The landscape is so open. Done a lot of controlled burns. You can see the marks on the pines there. The saplings that have grown back up. Really opens everything up a bit. Another still site. Look how that comes straight this way, straight that way. Almost like it was cut into.
What is that? Oh,
One of those little rock stacks. Look across here.
Daddy, go ahead, I got pee.
Here we are. On top of the double rock arches here. This long stretch here. This is actually the arch that you walk under. We'll get up under this and hopefully still find the rocks that have carvings on them.
I'm going down. Oh, dude, that's
Digging still, yeah.
no, there's like
Oh wow, that's bigger than what it used to be.
oh, that's been there.
Yeah. Here's the old Native American carvings. There's some of them still. One of the few spots in Bankhead, outside of Kinlock Shelter, you can find something like this. There's our double arches. We're gonna step out here on this little rock. There's a little waterfall. That's nice enough, I guess. That big old moonshine still. The old vat. It's a huge old vat. Headed downstream now. There's a larger falls we're going to see. Goes by a number of names in some circles, but it has no name. Nothing official anyway. Just a nice waterfall in the woods. a nice one. One we were after. A quick little hike in. Great little spot. Take a walk around back. We've made a little sitting spot here. Thanks for coming along with this little adventure, folks. Hope you enjoyed the moonshine still and 2 waterfalls. We got 2 good ones out of it. And the double rock arch and the cool cardinals. Until next time, keep exploring and stay wild.